In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the nvidia error with the 0x0003. Now first what we want to try is go to Device Manager. Once this is opened, we want to find Display Adapters. And in here, you're going to make sure that you're updating the driver. Now it says I have the best driver installed already, so there's no more to do here. Second one we want to try is allow it to the firewall. So go to Windows Firewall, not this one, Firewall, right here. And from in here, we want to allow an app or feature through the firewall. Now you want to press Change Settings and allow another app. And then you simply want to look for the nvidia. So let's look for this. It should be on the C drive somewhere. nvidia. Program files. nvidia Corporation. nvidia Geforce. And you have the Geforce Experience.exe right here. So simply press open and add it. Make sure private and public is toggled and press OK. Now that you've done this, there's another thing we can try. If it still doesn't work, we can come down here, search for services, open up services. From in here, we're going to look for nvidia. So press somewhere and press N. And as you can see, I have 3 nvidias right here. The first one, you want to right click on it and restart. The second one, you want to right click on it, press start. Make sure it's running. And the last one, restart. Now, once you've done all of these, you can close this again. Now, another thing that you can try is you can come down here, search for run, search for percentage local app data percentage, press OK. Now, this will open up your local, and from in here, you're going to look for nvidia Corporation, nvidia Geforce Experience, and you can simply try and delete this folder. Now, if that still doesn't work, the last option that we can try is simply come in here, search for our apps and features, nvidia, and you can try and uninstall them and then reinstall after. Now, any of these should hopefully fix your issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.